Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M8 Pro and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's begin with opening not the settings, but the security. This option, this app is pre-installed by your developer, so for sure you've got one. Just find it in the list of apps and tap on it. Right here we've got something called security scan, so just tap on it and give all the permissions it needs. And now your device will basically scan itself. It will scan the payment environment, privacy and security, and viruses. So if there is any kind of malware or problems, and after that it will show you the relevant information of the results of the scanning. Hopefully everything will be fine, and obviously your device will show you the information. However, if it will find any kind of problems, then it will list them and help you to, or guide you through the steps which you should take in order to get rid of the risks. Moreover, it will not only show you the viruses or malware, but also the things that you can do in order to increase the security. So for example, if you've got the update pending, the system update pending, and then it will show you a reminder that you really should do that in order to increase the security. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.